Okay, just as I promised, we are going to unbox the kits that I purchased today at Hobby Lobby. Let's start with the sunflower stand. I need to do it very, very carefully because the bags are super fragile and they are not closed with the glue, but rather with the staples. Okay, oh wow, it's actually pretty small. I don't know why I thought it was a little bit bigger. I just like that this, I like the angle of the sunflower, so this creates a 3D effect of it facing another direction. I really like it. Look at that. And it comes with a stand. Here it is inside the bag. Oh, let's see if it is also painted on the back side. Oh yeah, so it actually will look beautiful on both sides. Diamond painted on one side and just color painted on the other one and on the back side, right? And there should be some kind of a plastic film that is removed, so the back side looks less blurry than what you see now. Okay, so just don't forget to remove the plastic film. And let's look at the drills. So as far as I see, there are 10 colors. All of them are crystals, kind of like a light latest color, blue, yellow, but they're pretty bright, brown. This orange is gorgeous. Again, darker green, lattice bright green. Well, I can't identify this color, kind of like bluish greenish. This is no, I thought it was a special shape. No, this is like dirty yellow, and these are bigger blue rounds. Nice kits, I mean nice drills, very nice actually. The next one is this gorgeous wreath. It was the most expensive purchase, the most expensive item, $8. It was not on sale. However, other diamond painting kits, not fall related, are all on 50% off. Oh my god, look at that, so pretty. So gorgeous, look at that. And actually the bow is diamond painted way more than the rest of the wreath. That's how it looks on the back. It comes with a rope and the drills. I wonder how many there are. Interestingly, this kit actually comes with the acrylic drills as well, like it's a mixture of acrylic special and crystal drills. So very gorgeous champagne colored shape leaves, leaf shaped crystals. So this is a special shape color. This is also, well, we can say a special shape because the size is a little bit bigger than the standard crystal drills. It's around, I would say, 4 millimeters, yellow color. Oh, more interesting, bigger reds. And this is just regular shaped and sized crystal drills. Dark red, again some kind of like yellowish champagne-ish color. Oh wow, that one is very bright. Orange, red. There are actually two acrylic drills. Two green colors. One is like dirty green, I would say. One is lighter, one is darker. I'm surprised. I actually didn't know that it comes with acrylic drills, but I guess it does make sense because the acrylic drills go on the leaves, which, yeah, makes sense. All the rest are crystals. Oh, and look, and the champagne special shaped crystals go on the leaves, and they're in the shape of the leaves. They should turn out actually pretty good. That's a very interesting concept. The next kit that we are going to unbox are these 4 coasters. I think, I can be wrong. Let's look what they come with. Very, very carefully. Okay, so it contains 4 of them. This is the pumpkin. These are 3 leaves. Maple leaf, sunflower, and acorn. And on the back side, they're just, wooden. Let's see how many crystals they contain. So this kit comes with 12 colors, and as far as I see, they're all crystals. So this is just regular transparent drill, so most likely I will replace this one with white. I wonder where it goes. Oh, well, maybe I won't, because it goes actually on the leaf. I need to think. I don't think that crystals will look good on a leaf. I'll think about that. I'm not sure about this. So red, orange, yellow, orange. Oh wow, those are very juicy or juicy yellow. Again, light lettuce color, emerald, dark green. Also something in between of champagne and yellow color, bright orange, like fire orange, brown, and acrylic black round rails. Okay, well, pretty nice colors actually, but I still am not sure about this color. I am not sure if it's gonna look good on the leaf. And the last kit that we are going to unbox today is this gorgeous patriotic canvas mounted on the wood. The only thing that I do not like about these diamond paintings is that it doesn't include the legend. So technically I have to take a picture of the legend on the back side, because you know, when you diamond paint, it's very uncomfortable to turn it around to look and to correspond the colors, to find the colors right. And I not always have my phone next to me, because very often when I diamond paint, I charge my phone, and I charge my phone pretty far from me. So, and in this case scenario, I always have to have it on, you know, looking at the symbols. But oh well, what can we do? Maybe I can, I don't know, print it. I'm not sure, I just don't have a color printer. I have just a regular printer, and I don't know where my where my scissors are. I guess it's not a good idea to do it with the tweezers. Okay, so, oh wow, look at that, interesting. It comes with ABs. Good job, Hobby Lobby. The previous kit, the kit that I'm working on right now, came with acrylic drills only. This is my find to use the white ABs. Well, what can I say? I'm really very happy to purchase this kit. Okay, let's look at the canvas. That's how it looks. So I'm planning to customize this kit. Definitely I was thinking of replacing white color with white AB, but since it already comes with it, I will leave it the way it is. But I would like to add crystals on the fireworks and maybe on the stars. I think it will look better than just a regular acrylic or even ABs. So this kit contains, let's see how many, 27, 27 colors. I thought it contained less than that. And let's look at the drills. So let's start. Pink. I wonder where it goes. Look at this color. I don't even see it on the canvas. I guess it's not that color related though. Purple? Where's purple here? Whoa, okay. Purple, gray, light lilac, different shades of red. Makes sense. Dark purple. Where does it even go? Wow. Maybe I will actually replace purple, maybe this purple, with either ABs or crystals. I need to see where it goes. So again, red color, different shades of blue. I wonder if it is the same. Oh, well, 10 is the same, but 11 is a little bit different. Yeah, it looks a little bit, I would say, lighter blue. More pink, light pink. I need to see if I have a similar color in Diamond Dots ABs. They have a very light pink color in ABs, darker blue. I think it would look fantastic in resin. It will sparkle so much. Again, different shades of blue, darker, I would even know what it is, brick color or whatever it is. Blue, what is that? White? Okay. maybe some kind of white. So they do have different shades in ABs. Although when I look at them, they look absolutely the same to me, but apparently these are two different symbols. But look absolutely the same. And white AB. Interesting. So they come with 3 different ABs, 2 red shades and one white one. But again, these ones look absolutely similar to me. I wonder what the difference is. Even like the back side of the drills, right? To me, it looks absolutely the same. Well, it is this. Well, yeah, 25. Okay. I'll go with what Hobby Lobby is offering. So technically, this is all for today. 10 minutes unboxing video. Tell me what you like the best. But again, I'm really very surprised that this very kit comes with 3 ABs. It will be really very interesting to diamond paint it and to play with it when it comes to enhancing it. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.